Hey there, it's Chloe from AFAR Media. Like many travelers, I don't always love the food options at airports, and oftentimes have to bring my own snacks or meals from home. However, food isn't always the most straightforward thing to pack. And trust me, I've had plenty of water bottles thrown away and food confiscated by the TSA. But I've gotten better, and have some tips for you before your next flight. Bring foods that don't need refrigeration. Just because you can bring food on an airplane doesn't necessarily mean you should bring it on board. Keep in mind that whatever you bring from home will need to stay fresh for several hours. Some great examples for airplane snacks include nuts, protein bars, crackers, or chips. For a meal, sandwiches, wraps, and even salads are some of my favorite options. And please, for the sake of your seatmates, perhaps leave your extra pungent tuna and onion dip at home. Pack softer foods in a reusable container. If you pack softer foods like fruit or vegetable slices, try to put them in a secure container, because no one likes eating food that's squished. And if you want to bring liquids or dressings, make sure you follow our next tip. Keep liquids and liquidy foods under 3.4 ounces. TSA requires all liquids, pastes, and gels in your carry-on to be under 3.4 ounces, or 100 milliliters, and this includes edible things too. If you decide to bring your peanut butter, hummus, salad dressing, or other liquidy foods, make sure you put it in a container that's smaller than 3.4 ounces. Put your snacks in an easy-to-reach spot. This one's pretty obvious. But don't forget to put your snacks somewhere that can be easily reached in flight, like a purse or a backpack. You don't want to have to go through all of that trouble bringing your precious hummus and veggie combo through TSA, only to have it stowed away in your carry-on. And before you travel with snacks in hand, be sure to look at the restrictions of your arrival destination, as they can vary. Happy snacking! And for more travel tips, don't forget to subscribe to AFAR.